This is an electric snake. It weighs almost 12 pounds and costs about $200. It consists of a drum which contains a coiled cable or snake and an electric drill which rotates the drum, which in turn rotates the snake. The electric snake has several controls. This is the pressure-sensitive power trigger switch, which starts the power to turn the drum. This knurled screw on the power trigger switch is the variable speed dial. It controls how fast the drum turns when the trigger is compressed. If the variable speed dial is set too high when the trigger is compressed, the drum may start turning so fast that you may not be able to control the machine. The drum can turn up to 550 RPM. Always start with a low speed setting. These are the forward and reverse selections to rotate the drum either clockwise going into the pipe or counterclockwise coming out of the pipe. When using the electric snake, always wear leather gloves and safety goggles. When this automatic feed pressure bar on the front of the snake is compressed, the snake will automatically advance out of the drum or retract back into the drum depending on which way the drum is turning. Without this automatic feed pressure bar, the snake would have to be pulled from the drum manually and pushed back into the drum manually. After the pipe you wish to snake out has been exposed, set the machine down near the pipe and manually feed some of the snake into the pipe. Then start the drum turning slowly in the forward direction by pressing lightly on the trigger and depressing the automatic feed bar to allow the snake to work its way through the pipe. You can control the speed by how hard you press the trigger. If the snake meets resistance, stop the machine and put it into reverse. Back the snake out a little and then go forward. Repeat if necessary. Once you have completed snaking out the drain pipe, put the machine into reverse and slowly withdraw the snake. You may be able to stop the machine altogether and withdraw the snake manually. That way you reduce wear on the motor. In any event, if you cannot retract the snake manually, that is, without the drum rotating, the drum should definitely not be rotating when the snake is eventually pulled from the pipe. When the snake retraction nears completion, stop the machine altogether and manually pull the remainder of the snake from the pipe. If the snake is rotating when you pull it out of the pipe, it will sling black gunk from the pipe all over the surrounding area. Now take the machine outside and manually remove the snake from the drum and rinse it off with water. Allow it to dry before feeding it back into the drum. Also, while feeding the snake back into the drum, coat it with some oil to keep it from rusting. The machine will now be ready the next time you need it.